Hey everybody, I want to show you how to do something really cool in Excel. I'm going to show you a shortcut on how to do it. So a lot of things in Excel are kind of confusing. They don't need to be because you can just get the formula from somewhere else, copy it, and paste it. So here I've actually given you the formula. I don't want you to memorize this unless you want to. I don't even remember it. I just come back to it when I need it and I change one cell. So what we're doing is we're taking data from over here in one cell, and then we're making a visual representation of it over here. So when the number over here is 50, this is gonna show a half full bar. So if I make it 100, it's gonna show a full bar. 1, it's gonna show a tiny bar. 25, you get the idea. So what we've done here is there's a formula, and it is right here. I've put it into the description of the video, so you can just copy it. And again, you have to do only two things. You have to put, obviously, the enter sign, just like you would with any formula. And then you need to change the A2 cell to the cell that has your data. So in this example, the data is in A2, but if I wanted to do it for, let's put a number right here, let's say 100, I would have to paste the formula, put enter, click on this, A2, and replace it with D15. And now we have it right there. Also, if you just copy the data and paste it there, it will also show it. But I've also made this sheet available for you so you can just copy it. What you're gonna do is come to File, go to Make a Copy, and then you'll be able to edit it. Because right now it's in view only. I'm the only one that can edit this one, but you can make a copy of it and mess with it to your heart's desire. And I'll show you an example of a time when I use this. Right here, I'm counting the number of cells that have text in them because I use this worksheet and I fill it out from 1 to 105. So every time I fill out a new thing here, test, just every time a cell gets filled, this goes up. So that is it. I hope that was helpful. I do reply to all questions, so if you have any, ask them below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell.